Alright, boys and girls, good morning. It's Monday right now. I think the 15th or 16th. Let's get going. Here's my color lineup. As you can see, got some reds and yellows and pinks and blues and all kinds of good stuff. So I'm going to do a squiggle pattern, and hopefully, like I said, I won't drop my phone in the paint. Let's go for it. Let's start right here. Alright, there's one side. Now let's do the other. Almost ran out of this one. I have to steal some from the other side. Yeah, why not? Okay, we're going to let those sit for a minute. Get all happy together. And we'll blow them out and torch them. And watch all those cells show up. Looks like a bunch of colored turds, doesn't it? So that's what it starts like. Just mix a bunch of different colors. I've got a lot of silicone oil in the black and the yellows. So that's going to be my cell activator. You can see them starting to pop up through the other colors. And I think I'm going to do a turquoise right in the center to tie them all together. There we go. Why not? Alright, I'm going to get my little redneck blower out. Remember, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning here. Excuse the bad camera work. Yeah, I know I suck.